Guys, is what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing our makeup. And for the first part is what you want to do is you want to get out your makeup. This is your mascara. And this is your eye pencil. And is what I use for my eyebrows is, you know, brown tint Ultra Beauty, and it works really good and it makes your eyebrows look natural. And to like really like just smooth it out, I use this little pencil right here and I just smooth it out like so, and it makes it look really, really pretty. And is what I use for my eyeshadow is I really use this one, and it's just a pink sparkle. And for my lip liner I use this, and I also use this lipstick that is, you know, non-smearable. And so first off is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows to make sure that my eyebrows stay. And as what you do is you just brush them out a little bit like so, and you get your eyebrow stuff and you put it on like so. I'm gonna get down lower so you guys can see, and this is just basically what I do to make it stay, and it works really good. And you can get this really anywhere, but I go to Amarillo to get it. Okay. And you want to take your other one, see how my eyebrow really looks, and you know, it stays in place very good. And you want to make sure they stay on the hairs. You don't want to make sure they go on your skin because it'll smear. But see, this is how my eyebrows look. And if they look like that, you know, you just get this right here and you go like so. To cover it. And it works really good. And then, so what you want to do, oh, and I also use liquid eyeliner for my top eye. Right here for my top eyelid, and you know, it just works really good. I'm sorry that I'm taking so long, but it takes me a long time to get ready. So, and then you want to take this right here and you want to apply it to your bottom eyelid. I'm going to get down a little bit low so y'all can see. And you want to make sure you get it all over your eyelid on the inside to make it stay. And that's basically what I do. And you want to make sure you do so to the other side as well. So, and you smooth it out with your finger. Okay, I don't use this. And that is how it looks. See? And then you want to take your liquid eyeliner and you want to apply it to the top. Okay. And there's my son. Say hello to the camera, Papa. Say hello.
Hello.
And you just want to make sure you get your peaks down. And that's how it looks when you apply it to the top eyelid. And then you want to take your eyeliner and I use these brushes for my eyeshadow. And what you want to do is just get it all over your brush really goodly, and you want to brush it on. See? And then you want to do so on the other side. I don't use anything really dark anymore because it looks really tacky. So I just use something natural to make your eyes come out more and, you know, just make you look natural. And then is what you want to do is you want to get your mascara and you want to apply it to your eyelashes. And is what you want to do is, I'm getting down lower so that way that you guys can see, and you want to just get it all over your eyelashes. And then that's how it looks. You see, it looks natural and everything like that. I don't really put it on the bottom eyelashes because it smears half the time, so I just do it on the top. And then is what you want to do is you want to apply your lip liner. And I'm going to get down low so y'all can see. Okay, and that's how it looks when you put your lip liner on. And then you want to get your lipstick, and you want to just smooth it out. And that's how it looks when you have all your makeup on. And this is the kind of look that I was going for because it looks really natural, real pretty, and you know, it doesn't take that long to do. I thought it was going to take me like 30 minutes to get ready, but it took a little bit less. And that is all. So thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time if you want to see more videos.